Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, All the Smoke. You know what this channel is about: barbecue, cooking, and my love for food. Today, I'm gonna show you guys how to make pulled beef. Not any type of pulled beef, but how to do it from a slow cooker. So slow cooked pulled beef. Hopefully you like it. Let's do it. Alright guys, so as you see where we're starting, I have me here a brisket. You can see it's been dried. Been sitting it on some paper towels here just so that I can keep things a bit pleasant. I'll show you all sides. So we're gonna go baste, then we're going to go marinade, we're gonna go rub. Now, as I've said, all three of those will have their separate videos to explain how I do those. Okay, we've hit that up pretty decently. So now we're going to get it injected with the marinade. You typically know how well you've injected it by how much juice is in the pan. And I had 400 mils of marinade, and there's definitely not 400 mils of marinade fitting in the pan. So that's definitely in the meat. I'm gonna do another layer, just one more touch of the AP rub, now with the sauce on top. Then I'm gonna add it with my barbecue rub finally. There you have it. So this bad boy is gonna sit in the fridge overnight, and then tomorrow morning I'm gonna smoke it, as I've already said. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm excited. As you see, the time has come. We've got the shredded beef, we've got some brioche buns that my missus has done for me, and I've got some coleslaw right there. I'm essentially going to put it all together and show you guys how amazing this thing is.